निमणे खिणाक 2 गोल मारीत इंडियन एरोजान आय लिगांत चर्चिल ब्रदर्साक जबरदस्त शॉक दिलो. सबस्टिट्यूट अभिजीत सरकारान स्टॉपेज टायमात 2 गोल मारले आनी पयले हाफात लीड घेतिल्ल्या चर्चिलाक हरयले. चर्चिल ब्रदर्सा खातीर 11व्या मिनटाक सिसे दवडान गोल मारिल्लो.
Lapse in concentration. When you think the match is won, this thing happens. Complacency creeping sometimes until the final whistle is blown. You can't take anything for granted. They played a good game and they deserve those 3 points.
Substitute. But Abhijit also, because they scored the goal. And now I think all the team, without exception, worked very well. Some players have play better when we compare with this level.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.